as far as the market discussion is concerned, and welcome a corporate on the show. We have with us Dr. B. Bhaskar Rao, the Chairman and Managing Director at KIMS Hospital, to talk to us about their numbers, because it was a decent show. The revenue went up by 22% on a year-on-year basis, though the EBITDA jumped up by around 14%, and that's because the margin slipped by almost 200 basis points on a year-on-year basis, coming in closer to around 26%. And that's exactly my first question, Mr. Rao. The margin slipping, was there a one-off in this quarter, or is it likely that 26% is going to be the new range going forward for EBITDA margins?
This is one of this quarter, because this quarter, the first quarter is always a lean period because of the holidays, and many people go for it. Most of the electives, they postpone it. So usually every year this quarter is a lean quarter. But in spite of that, we could able to achieve the highest the top line, and as well as the good growth in the EBITDA.
So, Mr. Rao, you've added a couple of facilities as well. I think your Visakhapatnam facility got on board. You're launching more in Nagpur as well. Talk to me about what kind of numbers are you expecting from these facilities?
No, both the things in Nagpur and as well as the Sunshine facilities, they are shaping up as we expected. Little bit delay of one of the Sunshine facility, we want to shift to the new facility, that is getting delayed about 4 to 5 months. Because of that, still they would have been, we didn't get the expected growth. Definitely in the second and third quarters, there will be a lot of improvement in the Sunshine facilities concerned. And Nagpur, we have been put a lot more new consultants and new therapies in that. They just started about this last quarter. So that we can able to see the expectations in the next 2-3 quarters. So as we expected, and we are doing well, and there is no any sort of a disappointment to us.
Sure, Mr. Rao, but given the fact you are saying that Q3 and Q4 will see incremental revenues coming in from these new facilities, what would be the annual growth run rate looking like? Because already in this quarter, you managed to clock a 20% plus growth. For the entire year, are you targeting what, 30% plus kind of growth?
It will be definitely better than what we have shown as of now. In the second and third quarters and fourth quarters are going to be more promising. Definitely we can expect between these two, 20 and 30. Definitely there is a good growth.
Sure, so 20 to 30% growth rate is what we are expecting, but the occupancy levels, they are likely to stay northwards of 70% itself, and any improvement in the average revenue per bed, etc. kind of metrics?
There may be a little bit improvement on the occupancy rates. As of now, it is around 70%, because when we shifted to the new facility of Sunshine is building up, there may be, it is almost right now less than 40% is the occupancy. So once it adds, and that will definitely, the occupancy rates will go up a little higher than what we are today.
So Rao, just quickly and lastly, wanted to get a sense from you whether the large part of growth will continue to come organically, or are you looking at inorganic opportunities as well? Because I think there has been a bit of delay when it comes to your Nashik facility, etc. as well. Would you like to make some inorganic acquisitions as well?
We are always looking for the inorganic as well as the organic growth. The Nashik facility actually is not get delayed. It is only 2-3 months. That is as usual. Anything on the construction and the statutory things are expected as we expected. There are so many holidays, the rains and all those things will be factored. So I think it is not much delay. And definitely we are also looking for both organic and inorganic in the next few quarters. That will also jump up the growth than what we expected.
Appreciate your time, Mr. Rao. Thank you for joining us on ET Now and sharing with us your business outlook. Let's